My hair was actually damaged. Then I started doing the rice water. Bro, rice water is really like the So I definitely knew better than to use jasmine rice. So I used my little basic regular rice. I used 1 cup of that rice. You pour it in a pot and you rinse it and wash it real good. Now that you have that dirty water, make sure to pour it out and add new water into it. You're gonna let that water sit in the pot overnight, and then the next day, drain that water into a water bottle. Be sure to dilute the rice water with some water or your hair's gonna fall out. What? So far I did 1/2 of my head with this rice water and I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. So it's day 2 and I just gotta say that rice water really did its magic. Like I really liked it. It made my hair so soft like when I was in the braids, and like my hair actually shrunk. Like before I would not experience any shrinkage and my hair started to shrink. It got curly, like it was soft and it was like damn. So day 2 I'm gonna put it in again. I don't think there's much of a difference, but so that little hair growth might not seem like a lot, but you gotta remember that this was over like a 7-day period, and usually it takes your hair to grow that much over like 4 weeks.
Truck a nigga sliding, dog. I just put 20 racks on his head, the young nigga sliding, dog. I get a bag to double it. All of that talking ain't adding up. These niggas calling us. I used to fuck around, re-up.